Hello friends, ketal job ni notification at the boy hastane jobs YouTube channel no rojotna lamsago fighting kesang tine under travel welfare department ni bisingte ketal job ni notification elenai o post ni bagai online application starongkha 30 October 2023 tarik ni simi te last date tongnai 20 November 2023 tarik jorate naro online application khaimanai fighting kesang post wise qualification tai categories vacancies ni details na lenai block program manager post ni bagai ST vacancies 7 ta tongnai qualification ke BHC in Agri, Horti, Pesare Khajatonke, Eba, Graduation in Economics, Sociology, Social Works, Social Development, Rural Management, Rural Development ni Graduation Khajatonke, post ni bagai application khaimanai, MIC cum Data Entry Operator post ni bagai, ST vacancy noita tongnai, qualification ke Graduation Khajananai, Telogio, Computer Application is Certificate onanai 6 month ni, Cluster Coordinator Agriculture and Horticulture post ni bagai, ST vacancy 7 ta tongnai, qualification ke graduate in agriculture and horticulture ni graduation khaijaton kendra post ni bagai application khaimanai cluster coordinator livestock and fishery post ni bagai ST vacancy 7 ta tongnai qualification ke graduation in bid ba fishery ni accounts officer post ni bagai ST vacancy 9 ta tongnai qualification ke graduation in commerce khaijanangnai office assistant post ni bagai ST vacancy 2 ta tongo high secondary pass khaijaton kendra post ni bagai application khaimanai support staff post ni bagai ST vacancy 12 ta tongnai qualification ke madhyamik pass khaijan kendra post ni bagai application khaimanai finance manager post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai up to 45 years jotinaro application khaimanai qualification ke MBA khaijan nangnai te procurement manager post ni bagai be ST ni 1 ta tongnai qualification be MBA khaijan nangnai district program manager education ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai education te na post graduate degree khaijan nangnai Manager IT post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai qualification ke BE BTech in IT Computer Science eba MSc in Computer Science MCA qualification tongkhe norok post ni bagai application khaimanai program manager Public Works ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai qualification ke BE Civil eba Master degree in Civil Engineering khaijak nangnai Monitoring and Evaluation Manager post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai qualification ke Economics, Statistics, Math, Management ni graduate eba post graduate khaijaton ke naro post ni bagai application khaimanai District Program Manager post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai qualification ke BSc in Agriculture khaijananai Horti eba Fishery eba graduate in Economics, Sociology, Social Works, Social Development, Rural Management, Rural Development khaijaton ke naro post ni bagai application khaimanai Young Professional post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai PGD khaijananai qualification manager agriculture and horticulture post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai agriculture eba horticulture te na graduation khaijananai district manager post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai qualification ke BT science te na graduation khaijananai district manager fishery post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai qualification ke ni fishery science ni graduation khaijananai district manager post harvest and marketing post ni bagai ST vacancy 1 ta tongnai qualification ke graduation in agri business khaijananai selection process ke written test lajaknai 100 marks ni 90 minute written test ni bagai question pattern rijak tongo obni ulokia group discussion khaijaknai group discussion ne pore personal interview khaijaknai personal interview ne syllabus rijak tongo norok kaham khenai di video ni description ang notification renai video ni description ang notification kaham khenai nai di apply process ke norok online application ma khainai norok Inke friends naronugui mankana under travel welfare department ni bisingte ketal job ni notification o mohai ketal job ni notification naina bagai hastane jobs YouTube channel no subscribe plus support khaide te ketal job ni notification nugui mannai